Okay, we have a beautiful Cooper's hawk in one of the evergreen trees at the elementary school. The crows aren't happy. Jay's keeping them occupied with peanuts. He's checking them out though. Crow is on a Cooper's hawk menu, so. We're at Flash's area, waiting on a juvenile blue jay to fly down and take a peanut. There he comes. Yeah. Female has to check them out. Oh, you're too funny. Okay, over. Okay, we're now waiting for the male to fly down. And it's Tuesday, December 29th. Come on down. It's okay. No, come down. He's up there. He can't make up his mind. He's shy. Well, the female has come back, so she'll probably come down and take another peanut. Here she comes. Okie dokes. Okay, female's back again. Okay, female is back to take the final peanut. The male refused to come down. Okay, it's all yours. And I haven't done a video of the hillside. It is greening up nicely. Well, it's been a while since I did. We had some rain, it started to green up, then we didn't have rain, and it went back to being brown again. That was disheartening. And now we've had enough rain that the vegetation is taking hold. Nice and green, just the way I like it. It's so pretty when it's all green. Okay, Fluffy! We're a little late this morning. So she definitely past her, well, she's in her daytime area, but she's come looking for us because, well, she's hungry. Hi, sweetie. I did not bring the grooming brush today because we are having very cold temps and I don't want to have my hands exposed to the cold air any longer than necessary. I do it to turn on the camera and do a video. That's it. Okay, we're at Fluffy's area. Yeah. Okay. Plate's there and seems to be clean. We're at Buddy's area, and he's, well, that's not Buddy. Buddy doesn't have to go through a selection process. So that may be female. She's going to go bury it and come back for more. Okay. Female, definitely. She selected her next peanut. Burying it as well. They're very meticulous. Select their site, bury it, and it has to be done a certain way for them to be happy. Rocks and leaves to cover after they've pushed it in the ground with their beak, which is what she's doing, hearing the tap, tap, tapping. She still has two more. She may have gotten a worm or something while she was burying her nut. Yeah, she's got something. I'll just have to verify that when I see it on a bigger screen, but she's definitely got something she's eating. And Fluffy's waiting for us at Buddy's area. We'll escort her back to her area. There she goes. We're heading back to her spot. Come on. Come on, Fluffy. Come on. We're still making our way back to her area. Okay, we have arrived. And so is Fluffy.
Okay, sweetie. Yeah, you didn't cut.